So, hello and welcome to another lecture in Mastering ComfyUI for AI image generation course by techlatest.net. So far, we had covered a lot of things like course overview, objectives, then about ComfyUI stable diffusion, then setup installation of ComfyUI on various cloud platforms like AWS, GCP, Azure, then user interface of ComfyUI and uh, like about nodes and various workflows in ComfyUI. So now in this lecture, we'll explore ControlNET integration in ComfyUI, a powerful combination that enhances image generation capabilities in AI art. We'll cover the application of ControlNET and environment. Okay, so first let's introduce about introduction to ControlNET and ComfyUI. So ControlNET is an advanced technology that allows user to exert precise control over AI generated images by providing conditional inputs. By integrating ControlNet with ComfyUI, an initiative interface for managing AI models, user can easily manipulate image outputs according to their creative visions. The integration simplifies complex process, making it accessible for both artists and non-technical user. So, we'll also see the uh, general steps or like how you like integrate and start ControlNet in ComfyUI. Okay, so the if you check the GitHub repo of ComfyUI and in models section, if you check the model section, so in model section you can find about the ControlNet options. You can also see the diffusers and other things, but in this lecture we'll cover ControlNet. So if you click on ControlNet option, so here you can see a lot of things. Okay, like if you check this one, so here you can see the ControlNet option. Okay, let's move to our next point. So obtain the relevant model file compatible with your version of stable diffusion, example or like SD stable diffusion 1.5 or flux one. So if you check the flux one, okay, so it is a text to image model, and if I click on this flux1.ai, so flux AI image generator, basically flux one black forest lab model. This is a black forest a labs model. The developers of stable diffusion have released a new open source image generation model called flux one. Okay, so if you want to create images, so you can also create images with flux one. So like place files in the correct directory, move the downloaded files to ComfyUI models ControlNet folder. So if you click here, okay, models and ControlNet folder, so you can like move your files in this folder. When you run this like user interface, you can do this stuff. Then configuration check, ensure your configuration file like extra model paths.yml then correctly points to control net path. This is crucial for ComfyUI to recognize and utilize the model effectively. Then control net models, ensure the path is correct. So the by following this step, basically you have to do one step, okay, one or two step. You can go on ComfyUI GitHub repo, and you can check the, if you check the model section here, like again where is models. Okay, so if you check the model section, so you can here find about the checkpoints and other things. For example, if you load any model, if you do any, for example, we'll show you in our previous lecture how you set up other models from various resources like Hugging Face. So like if you load any model in this checkpoint, okay, so you can if you by default here you can see the stable cascade model, okay, in a VM. And if you want to use other models, so you have to do with you have to copy the link of the model from the Hugging Face, and you have to use with the wget command on terminal. Then after that you can reload this UI and you can find about the other model as well. Okay, then like in checkpoint you can see other models. You have to fit this models in this checkpoint. Then you have in ControlNet you have to place this model and also recheck the directory of the model. So by following these steps you will have successfully integrated ControlNet into ComfyUI. So functional overview of ControlNet. So ControlNet enhances image generation by allowing various type of guidance like outline guidance, then pose guidance, depth guidance. Then user can adjust the intensity of this control, allowing for a balance between following guidance and exercise creating freedom. This flexibility enables creators to experiment with the different artistic styles and outputs. Then practical application. Let's live into how you can utilize ControlNet with in ComfyUI. Then loading images. Start by loading your base images or sketches into ComfyUI. Applying control nodes. Use various control nodes. Example, can you open post to modify your image based on specific attributes. Then adjusting parameters and like imagine you have a rough sketch of character. You can use Canny ControlNet to define outline. Applying open pose for accurate body positioning. Finally, adjust depth using depth ControlNet for more dynamic scene. So this layered approach allows for intricate customization, leading to high quality of outputs that align closely with your artistic intent. Okay, so that's all about this lecture. I hope you guys like this lecture. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Bye. We'll meet in the next video.